Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steffi J, and we are back with another video. But before we proceed, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that big red shiny button so you don't miss any of Shorty's antics. You're gonna want to keep up with me. Hit the bell. Just hit it. Now today's video is super special because it is a giveaway. And this giveaway is done in conjunction with Deity America, and they are giving away the 3 products that I previously reviewed to one of you lucky subscribers of mine. The first thing is the leave-in hydrating and repairing scalp treatment. The next thing is the daily moisturizing lotion. And the last thing is the scalp treatment for hair loss. And the thing that I love the most about this line is that they are natural and they focus on promoting hair growth and restoring hair loss. Now, if you want the nitty gritty on these 3 products from Deity America, you're going to have to watch my previous video. I will link it in the cards right now, and I'll put it in the description box below. And this is my in-depth detailed review on why I love these products and which products are my favorite. Now, I'm sure you guys are wondering how to enter the giveaway and get your hands on such great product. First thing, you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube. You have to be subscribed to me on Instagram. You have to be subscribed to Deity America on YouTube, and you have to be subscribed to Deity America on Instagram. I will put all the links to my social media and Deity America social media in the description box below. There will be only one winner, and it is only for the United States. The giveaway will last 2 weeks from the time that I upload this video, and I'll be sure to input the deadline right somewhere in here and in the description box, because I know some of y'all need reminders. And lastly, thank you guys so much for kicking it with the kid this long. Thank you to all of my new subbies. I see you all trickling in. Thank you so much for kicking it with me. Thank you for subscribing. This journey is kind of lit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.